Bounce. West side, make them bounce right now. North side, make them bounce right now. Middle finger to the odds right now. Is you down for the cause right now? Bed side, make them bounce right now. Get the money and we out right now. We the boys that they want right now. In the spot right now, make them bounce right now. Like
time for comment shout out. Yes! Well, first goes out to the one and only Ose. What's good? Second goes out to Sarabella Day Talk. And third goes out to Ify. You already know. You're always supporting. Fourth goes out to my mom. I appreciate you, Mom. This comment shout out goes to Ebony Girl Speaks Beauty Naturally. What's up, girl? Thanks for commenting, like always. Welcome back to another Melanin Monday. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on all eyes. It's all about the eyes. It's all about this look. You already know what beauty brand that makes one of the best pigmented eyeshadows, and that is
the one, the only
Juvia's Place. They make such good pigmented palettes for everyone of every shade, which is lovely, which I love. And the owner is a Nigerian woman as well. So you know, I had to represent, okay?
And put y'all on the wonderful Juvia's Place.
So you already know. If you think the melanin is popping, you know what to do. You got to keep on watching. So in this video, we're going to focus on our eyes, trying to do a little fun spring look with our eyes. I'm going for, I think, a pinkish type yellow look. I have the Nubian palette right here, and I have the Festival palette over here. But before I do that, I'm going to put my eyeshadow base. See, there it is, the NYX Eyeshadow Base. And I'm put that all over my lid. We want to start off very bright. All calls are ready to answer phone. Red bottom bottle, there's a contest phone. Red bottom to turn off. Can you feel me? I don't care what anyone tells me. Craig David is a legend. After we put that NYX eyeshadow base on, I'm just going to take my matte Studio Finish concealer. The color rubbed off, but I've had this for such a long time. It looks super ratchet inside because I don't use it as much. Because I want my eyeshadow to pop, so I'm trying to use as much, you know, of a base to get it popping, okay? To get it popping, okay? Take my Nubian 2 palette from Juvia's Place, this one right here, and I'm going to use Madagascar. I'm going to put that all over my lid because that's a good, you know, base color. I have that Madagascar color all over my lids. You know, we're all monotone. We're all monotone. And now let's get to the fun stuff. I picked up the Festival palette. Okay, so we're gonna take this color right here called Eerie G.
Put that. Ooh, that pink. That's what we like. That's what we like. That's what we like.
So next, I'm going to take the same MAC right here, Studio Concealer. I'm going to create the cut crease using that.
And draw that line. You see how I'm making that line right here. Because that's how I want it to look. See, like there.
So now I'm back. Looking all types of, I don't know, I feel like I'm giving you like Egyptian vibes. But yes, we are going to put stuff over this concealer. I'm gonna go in with Ofala, this color right here. I'm gonna put this on my outer corner. So as you see, I'm putting that on. Ooh, and this color though, it's fire. It looks like it's like a orangey type red. Most of the colors that are in this palette are Igbo, Yoruba names. I don't know if there's any Hausa in here, but I do recognize a couple. So I'm pronouncing them in the way that they're said for the most part. I don't know if I'm 100% correct, but I'm trying my best to pronounce them. But yeah, just thought I'd throw that out there. I know this side is a little longer than this one, so I'm gonna go back and clean that up when I do get the chance. Just cut it off like right there. Take some concealer and just cut that off. Next, I'm gonna go with Oro. This color right here, Oro, and I'm gonna put this in the middle because you know I had to put some yellow up in here. Tell him, D'Angelo. The colors are on. They are popping. I found it in the Nubian palettes. Nairobi right here. The Nubian 2 is named after Egyptian, you know, has that Egyptian type theme to it. I'm going to put the Nairobi on top of the Oro, the yellow color that we have in our inner eyelid. Now I want to make more of a, you know, transition, a better transition between these two on my lids, so it's not as harsh. So I'm going to go back with the red color, this one right here, the reddish orange, the Ofala, transitioning just a little bit just to help it transition. I want to make like strokes like so.
Like you see how there's now like a lighter transition color going into it. That's what I want.
I love the name of this color I'm about to use because my parents always say this word right here. This color right here called Udogu.
Udogu.
I'm just putting it in my inner corner. Ooh, I'm loving this color. I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Now it's time for us to do our bottom eyelid. So we're done applying all the eyeshadow that we need for this look. Well, now I'm just gonna clean it up just a little bit. I'm gonna take my Fenty concealer in the color 380. Next, I'm gonna put on my lashes. We're almost done with the eyes, okay? We're almost there. But I'm gonna put on my lashes, and these are the lashes that I got from Amazon. They come in a pack of a lot, and like I always do, I'll have them linked down below. Forgetting, I was totally forgetting my nose ring, but I put that on. Okay, so next I'm just gonna put some eyeliner on, LA Colors. We're done with our eye look. This is it right here, and now it's time for us to, you know, do the finishing touches. It's the Lancôme Glow For It palette. It's this color right here.
Do I have like,
and this is the final look, y'all. Juvia's place. And I'm so happy I was able to showcase how good they are. I mean, look at the pigment on this look. It doesn't get better than this. It doesn't get better. Hey, it doesn't get better than this.
But anyway,
like always, make sure you like this video down below. Comments too. Like, why not comment? Don't you want to get featured in my next video? Please subscribe down below. Help me to my road to 100. I know that's not a lot for a lot of people, but 100 subscribers is a ton to me. I really appreciate all of y'all that come back to back to back to back and watch all my videos. Thank you so much. Tell anyone you know to subscribe as well. You know, join the family. I will see you in my next video. Peace.
Hey, you gotta subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the new shit's out. You already know. Get on this.
Hey, pride's gonna be death to me. Hold up. guard your energy. You can't match my pedigree. Now you gotta pay a fee. This ain't free. What you need? Go, go. Pride's gonna be the death of me. Hold up. Wait, you know you gotta guard your energy.